Hi, Assalamualaikum. For today's presentation, I would like to explain for the first topic we have the analysis of acrylamide in food products using HPLC. This is our members. We have Nuri Aini Sofia, we have Amira Shafika, we have Nurul Fahana, and me myself, Nur Izati. For the introduction part, I will explain about the terms that we frequently use in this case study, which is acrylamide and HPLC. What is acrylamide? Acrylamide is a chemical, which is the harmful chemical effect cause major health problem from excess intake. This is if you take acrylamide in a big dose, big amount, it can cause the problem for our health. So the example of the high level of acrylamide contained in food is such as in the French fries and also the potato chips. Next we have HPLC. HPLC is an analytical technique to separate, to identify, and quantify components in a mixture. It can indicate the amount of acrylamide found in a mixture. Next, we have principles and concept of HPLC. HPLC can separate components in liquid mixture, stream or solvent known as mobile phase, while column packed with a separation medium known as stationary phase. Flows carry them to one or more detectors, and the chromatogram counts the indication and as the result obtained to identify acrylamide. I think that's all from the introduction part.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amira Shafika binti Abdul Nasir. So for today, I'm going to present the methodology for the analysis of acrylamide in food products using HPLC. So for the first step is that 1 gram of defatted sample was taken in the 15 ml of centrifuge tube and was centrifuged at 10 degrees Celsius, 1000 rpm for 10 minutes. And then the filtrate was transferred into another centrifuge tube and was added with 0.5 ml of both CARES-1 and CARES-2 solution. For the third step, the solution was mixed and centrifuged again at 10 degrees Celsius, 1000 rpm for another 10 minutes. After that, it will create a supernatant, and later on, the supernatant that was produced was removed and evaporated in water bath at 40 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And lastly, the supernatant was filtered with 0.45 micrometer cellulose acetate syringe filter paper. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Farhana. I will present the analysis. Table 1 show the analytical data of the acrylamide standard solution that analyzed by HPLC DA, which is the data show the concentration of standard solution of acrylamide and the slope of calibration curve is 94.75. Next is the figure 1 show the calibration graph of acrylamide standard. It shows the linear calibration curve of the concentration levels, and the peak area is correlated to the acrylamide concentration ion. Linear, which is the slope is at 93.13. The graph of the concentration is proportional to the area. Figure 2 show the HPLC chromatogram peak of acrylamide standard and sample. The sample were extracted and it showed the chromatogram peak is at the retention time. Then on table 2 show that the acrylamide levels in French fries, branded biscuit and bakery biscuit so was determined. Then the acrylamide and retention time of the sample were also calculated.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Aini Sofia. So I will explain about the conclusion part. So in conclusion, acrylamide can be determined by using a high performance liquid chromatography, which is the HPLC. It also can be seen in heat processed food samples that was measured using a quality addition technique. The study's finding confirm that acrylamide is commonly found in fried and baked foods. According to the research, the browning index can be used as a measuring tool, and efforts shall be made to avoid excessive browning. This important study will benefit the food industry by modifying and manufacturing procedures to reduce the amount of acrylamide in foods. This frequently makes the people aware of consumable goods and the need to determine how much can be consumed every day to protect themselves from substances such as acrylamide. So that's all from us for the first topic. Thank you.